going to roll up this hose.
Are they back?
So instead of pulling it, sometimes it's easier to go end over end and just follow it. So we just go end over end. It's kind of hard to grip it because sometimes the end wants to come out. If it gets real big, you can't grip the whole thing. So sometimes you got to tie it part way. Like I would tie it right here, and then I can keep rolling. But this one's short enough I don't have to do that. As long as I can keep the end under control so it doesn't all unravel on the inside. So this way, the hose is rolled so that it comes out, it wants to come out the order it was put in. Reverse order is put in so it doesn't get tangled as you do it. See, this is starting to come out. So I got to grip onto that sucker. And if it gets big, it gets, if you get a big roll, it gets to be pretty hard. That's why I say tie it up. But I'm not going to tie it. This one's almost finished. And I'll just bear with the lack of hose cohesion until the end here. So I'm stubborn. The trick was to lay it out straight. So you're not dealing with unkinking the hose as you try to roll it up. So there, it's all rolled up. It'll be really easy to get back out, not tangled, and everything. Okay, stop the video, Sonny.